want to get a sand in my coat because it's already said.
You want to go your coat?
It's going to be a little chilly, bro.
So we're at Ruby Beach, still inside of Olympic National Park. Ruby Beach, Olympic National Park. Olympic National Park is huge.
It is.
And this will probably be our last stop inside the park. A lot of it we didn't see, of course. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Going down's easy. Coming back might not be as much fun, but it is worth the view. It's gonna be a fun climb. What do you think, Lincoln? It's amazing.
Oh, yeah.
Let's walk this way, Lincoln. Oh, hold on. Cold?
Almost.
Hey guys, let's touch it. Oh no. Oh,
Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh no, I'm on this rock. The balance. Now stay there.
Watch the rocks. Like, where'd the shoes go?
oh, my shoes! My shoes! My shoes! Where's my shoes at?
They're gone, bud.
Right here.
Oh, we found them. We found his shoes.
Get the shoes.
Grab them, grab them, grab them.
Get the wheel.
Where's Lincoln? Oh,
Watch. Up around.
beautiful, eh? No, I took a sweatshirt, give it to Mama. We're standing on these rocks and wait for the sea to come in. Hold on.
Oh no, it's coming this way.
Oh, here comes some.
it with my eyes.
This is what happened.
We saw it. We watched it.
We went on top
Hey,
of
Lincoln, I
the
need your help real
rocks.
quick.
We went on top of the rocks.
I need your help real quick.
And then, when we were getting down, there wasn't any water.
Don't try making cold.
And then,
No. I was just watching it.
and then water got warm. So we and it went farther than we thought. And then
We didn't record it.
started
I tried
running.
my best.
We started running.
After you
And
left
then-
and me forgot going
I knew I should have recorded it.
Ethan, how'd you get your shoes wet? Oh, put them in the water. What? Put them in the water.
Yeah, because remember we had to ram out.
I tried.
Just missed a bald eagle, flew over us. Wow.
Or American.
My country
Dog,
tis
summer.
the...
Raise your favorite hand. Very good. And repeat after me. I promise,
I promise,
as a junior ranger,
as a junior ranger,
to protect
to protect
wild places
wild places
by not feeding the deer,
by not feeding the deer,
by not picking the flowers,
by not picking the flowers,
and by always having fun
and by always having fun
wherever I go.
wherever I go.
All right, congratulations.
All right, we're driving through Aberdeen, Washington, the home of Bryan Danielson, or if you're a WWE fan, Daniel Bryan. These pops in this town are so popular, they're behind glass. Even the ones in Seattle weren't behind glass.
Twitch.5 made by Funko.
Oh, wow.
You ever see, if Wrestle Fingers behind glass, I'm leaving. Tons of DVDs behind glass. But the Dukes and Gomer aren't because they're only watched by good, upstanding people.
Here we go.
Yeah. Walmart, Aberdeen, Washington. Oh, they got some superstars. And they're good price because usually some of them are up to. Got them all. Jeepers, creepers, zeepers, fleepers. Hey, Brady.
Here we are.
Brady,
Yeah.
you're supposed to go that way.
It's on that side of the car.
Yeah, oh yeah. Brady. That way to Brady. Oh, look at that pump with Brady on it. Brady. Brady. Here's the story of a man named Brady. Oh, Brady, that's where they get their dogs taken care of. Brady Veterinary Hospital. Maybe we should come back tomorrow, Brady. Well, there's the Capitol. We weren't even planning for that. Capital of Washington right here in Olympia. And our hotel is a half mile away. Interesting. Look at that fountain. Looks like Mary of Children's coming on.